Alright, this video, the first one that you're going to watch is about what's called the percent proportion. Now you guys have been dealing with proportions the last couple days in class, but this one is special for a reason. It's a proportion that helps us deal with percent problems. As we know, a percent is actually a comparison of a number to 100. So let's say, for example, that you have an average in school, and you get on your report card an 80. So this is your grade. If 80 is your grade in class, what that actually is a comparison to 100. That means that you have 80 out of 100. So you have successfully completed about 80% of what you needed to. That's really what an 80 means. Now this 80 represents a percentage. This is a percent. And it is out of the number 100. That's all a percent is. So when you see numbers like 90%, you guys remember when we had to convert percents to decimals, we would move the decimal 2 points to the left. So that would give us 9/10, and we would put the number over where the decimal ended. Well, 9/10 is equivalent to 90/100. So you can see how a percent is a comparison to the number 100. Now, what we're dealing with here is this, the percent proportion. Right there. So what we have, I'll write it over here, is P over B equals R over 100. Remember what we talked about. All letters are, all these things are variables. And they represent something in the percent proportion. The P represents the percentage. Now I don't mean the actual percent, like we were just talking about. I mean the part. Sometimes it is referred to as the part. The B represents the base. An easy way to remember the base is the whole. Now, the R represents the rate, which in this case is the percent. So let me give you an example of what we're doing here. Let's say, for argument's sake, you have a pizza. Doesn't that look appetizing? Okay? And the pizza is split like this. And then let's say you eat, let's go with 2 out of the 4 slices. So what if I asked you, what percentage of the pizza did you eat? Here's how you would figure it out. Well, the percentage, or the part of the pizza that you ate, is these 2 slices. So you would represent that with 2 being the part over the base, which is the whole thing. Well, how many slices are there in a pizza pie? There are 8. That is the base. Now we set that equal to the rate out of 100. Well, the question asked us for the percent, so that is the unknown. So we leave that as R over 100. And then as you know, to solve, all we do is cross multiply. The means of the problem are 8 and R. So we're left with 8 times R equals, and we get 100 times 2, which is 200. And then all you have to do, as you know, using inverse operations, divide both sides by 8, and we get R equals 25. What this means is that you have successfully eaten 25% of the pizza. So that is what the percent proportion means. In the next couple videos, we will be using the 3 examples that you see on your screen.